Sometimes you can spend crazy money on parts for these CJs. I mean, here's an example. That little floor drain cover, Midwest Willys, $21.95. Then you have shipping on top of it. Make your own, piece of cake. Take you about an hour to get the initial one, and then maybe 10 minutes for the second one. It's crazy money. It's just a piece of 18 gauge sheet metal cut out from a pattern. You can put that little tab on both sides if you want. I only put it on one. I'll shoot the other side too. This one's the passenger side. Once again, make your own. Don't pay $44 plus shipping. You might be able to find them for less money, but why spend the money when it's a piece of cake to make? Get yourself a pattern, 10 snips, put a little etching primer on it, paint it black. Crazy money for some of these parts.